The Aston Martin DB12 Volante is a luxurious convertible grand tourer. Priced at £202,300, it offers a thrilling drive with a 671 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine. Despite its weight, it accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The DB12 Volante's engine, sourced from Mercedes-AMG, delivers a powerful and flexible performance. It sounds fantastic, especially with the roof down, thanks to a switchable exhaust. The car's handling is sharp, with firm yet comfortable ride quality, making it more agile than rivals like the Bentley Continental GTC. Inside, the DB12 Volante boasts a high standard of fit and finish. The 16-way adjustable driver's seat and steering wheel ensure a comfortable driving position. While visibility is somewhat compromised, the interior quality is impressive, with premium materials and a responsive infotainment system. Front passengers enjoy ample space, but the rear seats are cramped, best used for luggage. The boot offers 262 liters of space with the roof up, shrinking to 169 liters when down. Rivals like the Mercedes-AMG SL offer more practical storage solutions. Owning a DB12 Volante is costly, with high purchase and running expenses. It includes luxury features like heated seats and adaptive cruise control. While it lacks independent crash test ratings, it comes with safety features like automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring.